Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Pathfinder tail light. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts, then open the rear hatch and remove the cargo trim panels. Use a trim tool to release clips and expose the tail light bolts. Keep screws and clips organized in a tray so they don't get lost. Inspect the wiring harness for corrosion and clean contacts before reassembly to ensure a reliable connection. Now remove the old tail light assembly safely and methodically. Hold the lens as you loosen each bolt to prevent it from dropping, then gently wiggle the assembly free from its mounting. Once you can reach the wiring harness, depress the release tab and pull the connector straight out. Do not yank on wires. Set the old assembly aside and compare the new part to confirm matching bulb sockets and mounting points before installation. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so more useful videos reach drivers like you. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for a lifetime warranty and cozy performance. They handle long days under the hood or long drives with equal comfort. Check the video description for the link and other deals. Give the video a thumbs up if helpful. Now let's get back to the video. Install the new tail light by first connecting the wiring harness and confirming the click of a secure clip. Align the assembly with the body and hand start bolts so threads engage properly, then tighten them snugly without over-torquing. Reinstall cargo trim and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Test brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights to verify correct operation, and make small adjustments if alignment or function needs a tweak before finishing up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.